So I think what I want to do is make a hole where this pipe can run through on the back side of here. But I don't want to make such a big hole that I weaken the pipe. I might can do that with the proper combination of hammer, screwdriver, banging, grinding, and punching and such. So, and welding. A little welding, yeah. Yeah, baby, a little welding. Alright, setting y'all. It might be a little bit of a shock to your system to be getting banged around like that. I guess you move it all over here where it's safer. Maybe. Maybe. There's not a hole in the other side. Think about that. A nice big punchy kind of thing would be good for that. Like a big Phillips head screwdriver. Work. Like this. It might work. People here would use a drill. Me, baby. Drill would be much too neat and orderly. That worm would be try. Yeah, baby. So here's a pretty good example. So I'm re-weld this real strong here, put this right here, put this right here, slide it in and out of a hole, have this go into that 4-inch wooden door post. That'll do. That'll do. And I might put a little piece of, might weld a little piece of handle or bend this end or something. I could bend that end with Rusty's vise. Right there. Okay. Oh, the joy. I'm liking it real good. I'm liking it real good.